Are your legs feeling weaker with age? Do simple things like climbing stairs or standing up feel harder than they used to? Well, a top surgeon just revealed something shocking. A single food you can eat daily that helps strengthen your legs, protect your muscles, and keep you moving easily, even into your 90s. And the best part, it's probably already in your kitchen. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could completely change how you age. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the powerful food that doctors are now recommending to help seniors and even younger adults build stronger, more stable legs for life. Strong legs aren't just about appearance. They're about independence, balance, and long-term mobility. According to medical research, your leg strength directly affects how well you can move, recover, and even live longer. Weak legs can increase your risk of falls, slow your metabolism, and make everyday activities like standing, walking, or getting up from a chair feel exhausting. Surgeons say that maintaining leg strength isn't just for athletes. It's vital for everyone, especially after age 50. Your legs contain some of the largest muscles in your body. The quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, and when you stop using them actively or stop fueling them properly, they begin to shrink in a process called sarcopenia. This decline begins around age 30 but speeds up dramatically after 60. However, the exciting news is that you can reverse much of this loss with the right nutrients and daily habits. And one natural food, revealed by a leading orthopedic surgeon, has shown surprising power to rebuild leg strength, improve muscle endurance, and even enhance circulation. Let's find out what that is and why it works so well. So, what's this powerful leg strengthening food everyone's talking about? Eggs. That's right. The humble egg, often sitting unnoticed in your fridge, is now being recognized by surgeons as a natural muscle repair powerhouse. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, including all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and recover. One egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of protein, but more importantly, it's rich in leucine, the amino acid directly linked to stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Beyond protein, eggs provide vitamin D, B12, and choline, nutrients crucial for maintaining nerve and muscle function. Surgeons have found that patients who consume eggs daily often have faster post-surgery recovery and greater leg strength retention compared to those who don't. The yolk, often wrongly avoided, holds most of these powerful nutrients. Eating whole eggs, not just the whites, helps you absorb the full range of benefits. And when combined with light activity, even walking, this natural muscle booster can keep your legs strong well into your later years. Let's dive deeper into how eggs actually help strengthen aging muscles. Your muscles are in a constant state of breakdown and repair. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at rebuilding them, unless you give it the right building blocks. That's where eggs come in. The leucine in eggs acts as a trigger that tells your body to start building muscle fibers. It activates a pathway called mTOR, which is essentially your body's muscle switch. When this switch is turned on, your body begins repairing and growing stronger muscle tissue, especially in your legs. Meanwhile, the combination of vitamin D and B12 in eggs supports your nervous system, ensuring smooth coordination and muscle control. This helps prevent shaky legs or instability when walking or climbing stairs. Surgeons say this combination of nutrients mimics the kind of muscle support you'd get from supplements, but in a completely natural, bioavailable form. Eating 1 or 2 eggs each morning gives your muscles the steady supply of amino acids they need to stay firm, functional, and fatigue-resistant. It's like giving your legs a tune-up every single day, and the science proves it works. Several clinical studies have confirmed the power of eggs for muscle maintenance, especially in older adults. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed protein-rich foods like eggs within 30 minutes of waking had significantly better leg strength and balance scores. Another study from Nutrition Reviews showed that consuming leucine-rich protein increased muscle mass even in individuals over 70 who did minimal exercise. That's huge, because it means even if you're not hitting the gym, your diet alone can slow or reverse muscle loss. Surgeons now recommend pairing egg consumption with mild activity, like walking, chair squats, or leg raises, to amplify the benefits. This simple morning habit helps muscles absorb more amino acids and build stronger fibers faster. And here's the kicker: eggs don't just protect muscles, they may also improve bone density, which prevents fractures and keeps your legs stable as you age. Science is now proving that something as simple as a daily egg could truly be a longevity secret hiding in plain sight. Meet Martha, a 78-year-old grandmother who struggled with weak legs and constant fatigue. Her surgeon suggested she start eating 2 eggs every morning along with light stretching. Within just 6 weeks, she noticed a huge difference. She could climb stairs without needing a handrail and felt steady on her feet again. Or Daniel, a 65-year-old retired teacher who had trouble standing up after long periods of sitting. After adding eggs and some daily leg exercises, he regained strength and balance he thought he'd lost forever. Surgeons report countless similar cases where this simple nutrition tweak restored energy, confidence, and stability in older patients. It's not magic, it's biology. The body responds to real, complete nutrition. When you give your muscles what they need, complete protein, essential vitamins, and recovery time, the results can be life-changing. These stories aren't exceptions. They're proof that you're never too old to rebuild your strength and reclaim your independence. One meal at a time. Not all eggs are created equal, and how you cook them matters. Surgeons recommend soft-boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs cooked in olive oil or avocado oil, not fried in butter or vegetable oils. This helps retain their nutrients and keeps inflammation low. Try eating your eggs with leafy greens like spinach or kale. The magnesium and potassium in these vegetables enhance muscle contraction and hydration. Add a slice of whole grain toast or a few avocado slices, and you've got a perfectly balanced, muscle-friendly meal. Timing also matters. Eating eggs within 1 hour of waking gives your muscles the protein they need right when your body is ready to rebuild. If you're watching cholesterol, recent studies show that moderate egg consumption, 1 to 2 per day, is safe for most people and actually supports healthy HDL levels. So skip the fear and focus on the facts real. Whole foods like eggs can be your best defense against age-related weakness. Here's something most people don't realize. Your muscles and brain are deeply connected. When your legs are strong, your brain gets better blood flow and oxygen. This reduces the risk of memory decline, brain fog, and even dementia. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient essential for neurotransmitter function. Surgeons point out that choline supports the production of acetylcholine, which helps your brain and muscles communicate efficiently. When that connection is strong, you move better, think faster, and feel more alert. In fact, studies show that seniors who maintain muscle mass perform better on cognitive tests. Why? Because healthy muscle tissue improves circulation and regulates hormones like insulin and cortisol, both vital for brain health. So when you eat eggs daily, you're not just strengthening your legs, you're keeping your mind sharp too. That's why surgeons now refer to eggs as a dual benefit food for both muscle and brain longevity. Strong legs, strong mind, and one simple habit to support both. Consistency is key. Surgeons recommend eating 1 to 2 eggs daily, ideally with breakfast or lunch. Morning is best since it kick-starts your metabolism and muscle recovery cycle for the day. If you're active or recovering from injury, you can safely increase to 3 eggs per day. Just pair them with fiber-rich foods like vegetables or oats to balance digestion. And here's a pro tip. Combine eggs with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges or bell peppers. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron and supports collagen production, which strengthens your tendons and joints. Avoid skipping meals or relying on protein powders alone. Natural, whole food protein sources like eggs provide better absorption and longer lasting effects. Surgeons agree that even 7 days a week is perfectly fine for most people, as long as you're not frying them in unhealthy oils. The secret is regularity. The more consistently you feed your muscles what they need, the longer they stay strong, stable, and resilient, even into your 80s and 90s. While eggs are the star, pairing them with other nutrient-rich foods makes your results even better. Surgeons recommend combining eggs with leafy greens, salmon, nuts, and Greek yogurt for a complete leg strengthening plan. Salmon adds omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in your joints and improve muscle recovery. Nuts and seeds provide magnesium and zinc, both vital for muscle contraction and repair. Greek yogurt offers additional protein and probiotics to aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Even mild dehydration can reduce your leg performance by 10-15%. Building strong legs isn't about one miracle food, it's about creating a muscle-friendly environment inside your body every day. Eggs just happen to be the easiest and most effective starting point. Combine them with these other foods, and you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more energetic than you have in years. At the end of the day, keeping your legs strong is one of the most powerful ways to stay independent and healthy as you age, and the solution doesn't require expensive supplements, gym memberships, or complex routines. Just one simple change, eating 1 or 2 eggs daily, can fuel your body with the protein, vitamins, and amino acids needed to rebuild and preserve muscle strength. It's natural, proven, and surgeon approved. Even if you're already in your 70s or 80s, it's not too late. Start today. Your body responds to good nutrition at any age. Within weeks, you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more confident doing the things you love. So don't underestimate this simple daily habit. Strong legs aren't just about walking. They're about freedom, vitality, and living life on your own terms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new health tip. Share this video with someone who needs stronger legs and a stronger life, because it's never too late to start feeling your best.